Zygo just introduced our new line of Qualifire laser interferometers with a lot of new features to make it just much easier to use. Here we're going to highlight a couple of the specific systems and their benefits.
This is the Qualifire 1.2 Plus with a whole suite of capabilities and features that are brand new to Zygo. We have a brand new Coherent Artifact Reduction method called Flying Spot. It combines both ring mode and stop and stare to provide coherent artifact reduction and enable autofocus. Autofocus takes all the pain, time, and question out of getting the maximum ITF response from your interferometer. Stable zoom might be the most convenient new thing we've added. When you switch between zooms, your focus position no longer changes, so you don't have to refocus your cameras. When you switch between zooms, your lateral resolution no longer changes, and you'll have no bullseye error. Also new to the Qualifier is a fully redesigned optical system that is sealed at the factory to make sure that field service is easier than ever.
So the Qualifier 2.3 is our new short coherence interferometer option. This is really useful in that it's able to measure stacks of parallel surfaces, including those that are the same thicknesses. So what we have here is we actually have a stack that's alternating SF11 and BK7 that are all the same optical thickness, and we're able to scan through and measure each of the 5 or 6 surfaces, if you count the front and back of the part, in a single measurement. And report on both the surface quality as well as the TTV or wedge between all the individual surfaces. So the 2.3 is a new short coherence system. Traditionally, we've used at Zygo our verifier or soon to be qualifier MST to measure parallel surfaces. That was great, but it had a limitation of a minimum or optical thickness of 600 microns. With this new short coherence system, we can go down to 50 microns optical thickness, measuring much thinner samples. Additionally, with the MST, because it does a wavelength shift, you can't measure multiple surfaces that are the same optical thickness, where once again, the Qualifier 2.3 doesn't have this limitation.